In today's video, we are exploring the world of non-emergency medical transportation and the vital role of wheelchair accessible vehicles, whether you're a caregiver, transportation provider, or someone just seeking mobility solutions. This is the guide basically for you. You need to stick around and watch this video, because at the end, we're going to share some resources for you as far as where you can get wheelchair accessible vehicles, use wheelchair accessible vehicles, or being financed. So let's get into the video. So what up though? So if you don't know, we're about to explain to you what a wheelchair accessible vehicle is, you know what I'm saying, and what is the benefit of you having a wheelchair accessible vehicle. So a wheelchair accessible vehicle, basically in a nutshell, is those who benefit, I guess, any vehicle that has a wheelchair ramp that can easily transport a person in the wheelchair, whether it is a van, what do they call that, sprinter van, a minivan, and anything that can transport a person that may have the ability to also transport, person in the wheelchair. You may be asking, like, who would benefit from this? You know what I'm saying? There's several people that can benefit from, having a wheelchair accessible vehicle, such as elderly individuals requiring assistance to medical appointments. You may also be assisting dialysis patients, patients with disabilities regarding regular therapy or treatments, physical therapy treatments, veterans with mobility impairments, individuals with chronic conditions, cerebral palsy, things of that nature that affects their, everyday mobility. Now, you may be asking, there's also, the different things that come into play when it comes to wheelchair accessible vehicles, right? Now, one of the things is, you can make more money when it comes to wheelchair accessible vehicles because you are offering different, more services. So this is why, people are more, prone to thinking about, okay, what should I start off with? Should I start with ambulatory? Should I start off with wheelchair accessible vehicle, or stretcher van, or gurney? Now, those different, avenues or ways of transporting patients, brings in different avenues of money, meaning different pay scales. What I mean, ambulatory versus wheelchair versus stretcher versus gurney. Those are different ways of happening, but we're focusing primarily on wheelchair accessible vehicles in this video. So I just want to give you an understanding of what the particular video is. I'm gonna throw some visuals on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about, just in case you don't know what a wheelchair accessible vehicle is. Now, what are they used for? I suggest reaching out and finding out what a used minivan wheelchair accessible vehicle would be. There's different type of wheelchair accessible vehicles. Rear entry vehicles and side entry vehicles. Now, that depends, when you're shopping for a vehicle, that all depends on, what you want to have as far as accommodations, right? The accommodations could be, is me personally, my fleet, that we have is rear entry vehicles. I believe that it's easily, you can transport, patients easily to get them inside of the minivan, right? As opposed to the rear ramp, even though the rear ramp still has a ramp that's coming up, there's a slight, I guess, a degree of tilt getting up on the rear ramp as opposed to the side ramp as opposed to the rear. But I want you to get a better visual. So I'm gonna put some visual on the screen so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, because there's a difference between a rear ramp vehicle and a side ramp vehicle. Tips for finding, I guess I will give you a couple tips on finding, these particular vehicles. First, you have to have a budget. Have a budget set, whether it's $10,000, whether it's $7,500, whether it's $20,000. Have a budget set, because this will give you a parameter of what you can be looking for when you're searching for these particular vehicles, right? Because especially if you want to, think about this. There's a couple ways that you can go about doing this. You can buy it outright, you can get finance, or you can lease. So it's 3 different options that you can go about, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to, getting into wheelchair accessible vehicles. Me personally, if you have the money saved up, I would say go for the first all cash. You know what I'm talking about? So you don't have to worry about a note. But then if you don't have the money at this particular time and your credit is pretty decent, then I would say go ahead and finance you a wheelchair accessible vehicle. Now, the thing about that is you got to make sure that you are strategizing in there, which comes about all your which comes into play when you're doing your market research. Make sure that you are able to, for one, take care of that note, that payment for that note, as well as your insurance note. You know what I'm talking about? Because those are it could get quite expensive. So think about that when you're going on this journey for thinking about getting a wheelchair accessible vehicle. So first, I would say set a budget, come up with some type of number, do some research. Like I said, I'm going to give you some options at the end of the video where you can go reach out to these people and see what they have available in different sectors of the country. Meaning, well, we'll get into it in the video. So just explore your options, right? I guess we can start. I can give you a few options as we speak. Right now we go over to the East Coast. East Coast has a few options out there. One would be Mobility Works. Mobility Works. That's one company that you can reach out to that has wheelchair accessible vehicles. And you can go to their website, which is mobilityworks.com, or you can reach out to them via phone number, which is 877-275-4907. That is one of the companies that's out toward the East Coast. They may have, other, locations, but as far as East Coast go. Next will be Idleton Conversion Company. Idleton Conversion Company. That is ILDERTON vans.com. I'm gonna try to put the visuals on here so you can see what I'm talking about. Phone number for them is 800-800-0199. That's 800-0199. Next, we have Superior Van and Mobility. Superior Van and Mobility. This is all on the East Coast at this particular time. So we go to superiorvan.com. Superiorvan.com. The phone number that you can reach out to them is 844-341-1994. That's 844-341-1994. Now that was the East Coast. Now we're gonna move over to the Midwest, where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? We're talking about Michigan, Ohio, Illinois, Iowa, Minnesota, all those particular states, you can reach. These would be some contacts for you in the Midwest. First will be the Creative Mobility Group. The Creative Mobility Group. Their website is creativemobilitygroup.com. creativemobilitygroup.com. Phone number would be 248-577-5430. Again, that's 248-577-5430. They in Michigan. Next, we have Cummings Mobility. Cummings Mobility and .com is their website. Phone number would be 763-497-0103. That's Cummings Mobility. These are in the Midwest. We are talking about Midwest right now. And then last one in Midwest will be Personal Mobility. The website will be personalmobilityinc.com. So personalmobilityinc.com. Phone number is 217-398-1188. Again, that phone number is 217-398-1188. So what I want you to get from this video is I have some more. You know, I'm not going to forget about the Dirty South and the West Coast. You know what I'm talking about? We're going to move on to the Dirty South and West Coast, but I want you to get an understanding that the reason why I'm bringing this video to you, because when I talk about market research, these are some of the things that you want to do when you're navigating your market research. You're trying to hone in on how much you're going to pay for a vehicle, what you're going to be, what your insurance is going to be, how much is your application fees. You know what I'm saying? This is all about part of your market research. You know what I'm talking about? Next, we got Dirty South. What up, though? We have AMS Vans. The website is amsvans.com. AMSVANS.com. Phone number is 800-775-8267. That's 800-775-8267. Next, back in the South, we had Mobility Express. Mobility Express. That is mobilityexpress.com. Phone number is 800-918-7433. 800-918-7433. And last in the Dirty South, we have United Access. United Access. United Access is unitedaccess.com. The phone number is 877-578-6335. 877-578-6335. Last but not least, we over to the West Coast. What up, though, LA? The website, first company would be Sunset Vans. Sunset Vans. The website is sunsetvans.com. Phone number is 888-280-8267. That's 888-280-8267. Next, we have Mobility Works. Again, it's Mobility Works. They're also in the West Coast. So it's mobilityworks.com, and the phone number is 877-275-4907. It's 877-275-4907. And last but not least, we have one more. Absolute Mobility Center. Again, it's Absolute Mobility Center. The website is absolutemobilitycenter.com, and the phone number is 425-481-6450. So those are some resources that you can pull from, that you can research. You can do some deep diving on those particular companies that's in those particular your area, your region. And yeah, so if you're thinking about it, having a wheelchair accessible vehicle on top of your ambulatory will ramp up your revenue, your business. Having the ability to have those vehicles to offer those type of services in your business is imperative. You know what I'm talking about, especially if you want to scale. So having an ambulatory vehicle is great, but having a wheelchair accessible vehicle is amazing. So choose, you know what I'm saying, your method when you're coming up, you're starting this business, because it will pay off in the long run, especially when you're starting off. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I want to start off with my personal vehicle, but eventually, 6 months down the line, I want to, if business goes well, I want to, you know what I'm saying, step it up and get me a wheelchair accessible vehicle. So hopefully this video served you, you know what I'm saying, some purpose. What I want you to do for me is please share the video. It helps, you know what I'm saying, the algorithm. Like it, you know what I'm saying, just hit that like button. It don't cost you a thing, because you gotta think about it. Us content creators out here, bro, we're putting some time and effort into it and bringing you information. Please, at least, you know what I'm saying, like the video, share the video, and you know what I'm saying, hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to, 10K subs. So, hopefully I'm serving 10,000 people. Right now we're about at 7,000 and some change. Let's get it up to 10,000. We want to serve as many people as we can, giving out this information. The more that you help me, the more that I can help you. Don't forget, we have a private community. NEMT University.substack.com. Go mess with us over there. I have information over there that'll help you, that I can't necessarily bring to YouTube, because I have resources, podcasts, you know what I'm saying, things of that nature. So go, you know what I'm saying, hit that subscribe button over there. Subscribe to our newsletter. And also, the course is coming. The course is coming, and it's going to be cost effective. I've been saying it for a while, but completely done, basically. So, appreciate you. Leave you with this. Don't do what you can do today, tomorrow. Okay? You're going to hear me say that from now on. As long as I'm able to, or be in the spirit of bringing these videos to you. Because eventually, it won't be here as much. So don't do what you can do today, tomorrow. Meaning, don't procrastinate. If I share some information with you, such as I gave you some resources. I gave East Coast resources. I gave Midwest resources. I gave you Dirty South resources. I gave you West Side resources. Start inquiring about the information. If you want to build this business, do the research. This takes action. You know what I'm talking about? Act on it. I'll see you on the next one. Say, look.